Hold on.
Oh, it's got a kick. It's got a kick. It's a good kick. Now that is super sorted.
How you doing, guys? Hope you're well. Carrying on that southern train, I'm going to do pimento cheese. Very popular in the south, Georgia. Pimento cheese sandwiches, amazing. Cheese, pimentos, mayonnaise, all this other stuff. I'm going to do it good. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to do a grilled cheese pimento sandwich with a quick tomato soup. This tomato soup's so easy, but first what I'm going to do, I'm going to crack on and I'm going to roast some jalapenos. Oh yeah, people have been asking me, Steve, you look really skinny, you okay? I'm fit as a bloody fiddle. I'm great. All good. This is totally optional, but I like to have some heat in my pimento cheese and jalapenos go really well with it. So I'll add all these to the tray. They've been de-seeded. Add a little olive oil. A little bit of salt and pepper. Shake. Right, in the oven until roasted. How long? No bloody idea. Right, I'm just going to put these jalapenos to one side, and these will give a fantastic smack heat to the pimento cheese, which is what you want. All right, for my quick, easy tomato soup, roasted tomato soup, we're going to roast these toms. So we've got some Romas, or you can use any good tomatoes, onion, and some garlic. So first thing you need to do is take out the core of the tomatoes. Very easy. Go around with your thumb. Comes out, just like that, easy. There you go. Okay, so just slice these in half. Just like that. Garlic clove, just cut in half. Right, so add your toms, your garlic to the same pan, and also half an onion. Little touch of olive oil. Little touch of salt and pepper. This is so bloody easy. Little shake. And it goes in the oven. How long? About 35, 40 minutes. I don't know, 50 minutes. We'll see. These have been cooking around about 50 minutes, and the amount of flavor in there is unbelievable. I'm telling you, the smell. I've got my blender and we're gonna blitz. Also, I'll be using a can of San Marzano tomatoes, just for like a backup, but these are fantastic. These have got some great flavor. F***ing 8 can openers. So next we're gonna add some vegetable stock and some sugar. Tomatoes love sugar. This is just to balance everything out. Little salt and pepper. Right, you want to bring this up to a boil, a light boil, not a vigorous boil because you'll be covered in tomato, just a light, and then simmer for about 35, 40 minutes, just to get everything melded together. Right, while my soup's happening in the background, we're going to make the pimento cheese, the southern spread. It's great on crackers, great as a dip. You can have it with some vegetables, great with grilled cheese, and if you're a fan of grilled cheese, you're going to love this. This is going to be good. So I've got two types of cheeses. I've got sharp cheddar and Monterey Jack. I do like that blend, but you can just use sharp cheddar. First, add your mayo. Get that in. I'm adding garlic powder and onion powder. Ground black pepper, plenty of it. Gonna add some pimentos. They're a sweet pepper. They're not hot. They'll just be fantastic in this. And those beautiful roasted jalapenos I did earlier. That's it. So all you've got to do now is stir it. You can use a food processor, but I just like to stir it by hand. I love those little charry cheese bits on the edge there. I'm just gonna, got it. To this soup. Now that is a grilled cheese sandwich. Grilled cheese and tomato, classic combo, but when you put pimento cheese in it, it takes it from there to there. Give it a go. Simple, but bloody tasty. That is fit for a king. Thanks, guys. Finished!